Just hope for a nice smooth ride. It's a cooler day and it's gonna freeze on my way home. I'm glad I brought my warm gloves, and they help a little bit. Of the traffic. Okay. Poof, smoky. Let's see what's going on here. Sploosh! Splooshy sploosh! Those tires look weird. I'm sure they're cool to some people. It looks like a Hot Wheel toy. Yike. Yeah. Look at that beautiful decor. Yay, way back. Dude, watch out. It's not even merging up here and you had to go try to take my happy place. Something, he's driving dangerous. Oh, he nodded. Gotta focus on all this traffic, you know? Because my season's almost done. I do want to get to 1,000 miles. I'm at 954. Almost 958. I predict I'll get to 1,000 miles next week, maybe. I don't know. There's too many cars, but I'll go after this. Oh wow, bus. That was cool. Oh, look at that sky. It's so pretty. Gorgeous. See some clouds. It's not supposed to rain. I met somebody very awesome today. Didn't quite get her name, but she'll be back. I guess she was at a Petco. I'm going to call it out. I'm going to call that business out. She was at a Petco and she wanted to know how to take care of green cheek conures. Because she found two that were in dire straits at Petco, which I know is a shocker, sarcasm. And it's like she wanted to buy and rescue them, and I told her the last thing you want to do is buy these birds from a corporate chain store to rescue them. You're not rescuing them, you're making them money and making the problem worse. The best thing you could do is not buy them at all. Blast them on social media, try to take pictures and video, educate people, encourage your friends. Do not buy pets or live animals from a chain pet store. They don't vet their breeders, can't guarantee health. I mean, where I work, we can't guarantee all the health of all the birds, but if there's a problem, just talk to my boss. He's the owner, manager, all that fun stuff. Went there just to look around. They're great for supplies and tools, just not live animals. And it's not the employee's fault. They have to follow their corporate guidelines, corporate rules. They need a job. Then I found out, let me turn first here. Get practice to try to stay on track. Oh, I can just stop and wait my turn. Well, my boss was there when she was there. We were having this discussion and sharing stories and this and that. And I guess, oh, maybe I could turn. Anywho, I guess a couple days ago, or day before yesterday, or a day ago, I'm not sure. But a couple girls were in there talking about, I think is the same Petco, contact their corporate office. The corporate doesn't care, dude. They yeah, do the math, connect the dots. Corporate does not care about the well-being of the animals that they sell. But I guess because somebody went to the higher ups, those 2 green cheek conures are now in a bigger cage. That still does not negate the fact that we don't know where these birds were bred from. We don't know their health. We don't know if they were from a breeding mill, which most commonly chain pet stores buy animals from breeding mills because it's cheap. So they can maximize their profits, because that's what corporates do. Anyway, don't buy any live animals from a corporate chain store, as it makes the situation worse. Oh wow, green cheek conures are selling really quick. We must quickly buy some more, so we can sell more. They're very popular for some reason. Yeah, see how that works. Let's not support these corporate pet stores. You're really gonna do that, dude? Seriously? Calm down. Somebody's using their wood fireplace or something. Smells like camping. We didn't get to go camping this year. We had to work. Replaced the roof entirely, and Sean pretty much did that by himself. Of course, a couple little helpers help clean up the mess. The dumpster should be gone by the time I get home. Or maybe not. I don't know. Now we get to install the wood pellet stove. Thank you for waiting. Somebody needs to stop dumping glitter everywhere. So sparkly. Yay.